All right, everybody. Hope everyone can hear me. Excuse me. So, all right, everyone. Hope everyone can see me and hear me properly. This is my first time making a live video. I did one with my brother, and I can share that link with you as well. But that was not too much of my working. It was my brother who was talking and working on it. So this time it's me, and I would love your support in it. What I'm going to do is I'm already working on an app which have been already published on iOS App Store. But now I'm planning to make it better. I will be releasing live videos to make the application better. And secondly, which is a much important part of this app video or in going live, is that I will be trying to get as many users as I can while like trying to push it to Facebook or any different places. Well, this will be the start of the application, but let's see where it goes, and then let's make this application better. All right, so let's start. Okay, so I think you guys can hear me now, and hopefully everything is working nicely. So let's see. Give me a second. Let me check if the stream is coming up live properly. Perfect. Yeah, the stream is now perfectly working fine. And then let's start working on this application now. Where is the mobile applicator simulator? Let me go through this first, so that you guys have an idea of what it does. And there's this question mark button over here that can show you how it can be done. You guys can find this application on App Store by typing Islamic Companion, and you will be able to get it. But let's start now. So basically this is how it is going to do. First you can find a surah, and then you can select an ayah. Perfect. And then you can attach it, another ayah, or you can just write a heading, description of how you feel about the application, and then the theme. And once you have added this information, you can just store it over here. Now this is just one part of the application. This is not the whole application. Other things are, like, for example, if you want to find anything specific within the Quran, you can just type, like, for example, hardship, and it will provide you that information of wherever this hardship word is going to come up. See, like over here there's so many options where you can select it from. uh, there's a way that you can expand it. Yeah, you just need to hold it for a few seconds, and it will expand it for you. So basically this is the application. I should have given you a brief information about this application and the story behind it, why I have created this application. Basically the purpose of this application is that I have been trying. There's a lot of times when I get an idea of what as surat or an ayah means, and I'm not able to write it down somewhere. And because I do not write it down, I keep forgetting it from my mind, and that creates a problem for me. And so what I come up with is like this application where anything I I like any specific ayah, I can just tag it over here, type what I'm thinking about it, what I'm, what I want to, like, understand, what I understand from it, and then I save it, and then that is where I'll be able to make my own notes, like over here. Similarly, I added a tag system where basically I can just click on the tag and it will provide me all the ayahs that I have selected from within the Quran, and see which application is going to work very nicely. Which which is what list is the best for me. All right. So yeah, I'm getting a bit nervous, but yeah, this is my first time doing it, so that's why. Maybe in a bit later, after a while, I get better at it. Hopefully. All right. So this is my application. Now let's go to the code side of the things. I've already created it. Now I think it's better if I tell you what I'm going to do with it. Like what are things that I plan to do with it. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is like right now, whenever I create a new one, I have to select a surah and then the ayah. What if I only want to create one ayah, for example? Yeah, one I have to write note on a whole surah rather than just one ayah. What should I do then? This is one thing. Secondly, what should be the way? How should what should be the way to add more information against that ayah or note that you have already created? There should be a way of commenting on it or adding notes to it. There's nothing like this right now, and I would like that I should be able to see a timeline of it. Like this was done this day, this was written this day. So this way, like I can analyze what I was thinking that time, and later on whatever I have written right below it, it will provide me a better understanding. Okay, I was thinking about this stuff, and then now this explanation is much better, and I think I should combine these two for later understanding as well. So if for future references, it will be a uh, uh, great description for my side, or details of that ayah for me. And secondly, one of the most important part of this application is that at this moment, this everything is stored in your mobile. You do not need to worry that it's going to go to any other user, any other user is going to understand it, and then he start questioning your beliefs. So no one, it is your application, it is it is your application, and it is your thinking that you can only read it. If you want to do it later, or we might, if somebody wants to share something, we can later on create a community for it, so that everyone can share their thoughts as well. And then but and that because everyone has their own religious opinion, so it's better that I do not do that for now. I just want to make this application for myself for now, and I would love anyone who wants to use it and provide me a feedback on it, so that I can make it better. All right, all right. Too much talking now. Let's start working. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is create with every note there should be comments as well. So let's do that first. Yeah. So I've written a prompt for it. I haven't provided a detailed prompt for it. I wanted to find it on its own. I might change it a bit because just want to see for now if it's going to work or not. If it's not looking good, I might just go leave it for now, because this is something that I been wanting to do it on my own, but there's other matters that I need to look into as well. But for now, let's just see how it does. The thing that I am trying to achieve is like this app should be everything. I should have everything in this application. Like, I don't want to look into any other application. And trust me, I've been using it yesterday for half an hour, just to for my own personal, for creating my own personal notes. It have been easy, but there was a problem in it that I have found in this application that I have built. The problem is, like, if I want to create, if, like, for example, I am able to search something over here, like for example hardship that I have already done. But the problem is right now is that, like, uh, if I want to read a whole surah, or if I need to understand, right now it's giving me specific ayahs, right? So, but I want to get under some understanding of the previous ayahs as well as late ayahs that are after it. Then what should I do? There is no way to look into those parts. So I'm thinking of having another additional page over here, where if I want to research on a specific ayah, 5 above or 5 below, like, I mean, like 5 previous and 5 after, 5 previous ayahs, and the food later on as well. So that way I will be have a clear picture of what I'm thinking about. So yes, let's see. All Oh, okay. Hmm. This is good. It has already done it for me, I think. Let's see. This is the notes. Test one. Uh, nah. The comment should be on top, or the comment should be below. What do you guys think? I am having a bit of confusion right now. What should I do? Should it be on top or should it be below? Let me increase this thing so that, because right now I'm not using the middle part at all. Mm. Huh. Is this looking nicer? But see, first of all, should I see the latest one on top or the lower one on top? So many options to choose from. I think let's have a tabular way of showing it. As soon as somebody clicks on it, I should be able to see the ayah, but on the right side there should be a comments button, which I click on it and only shows the comments. It should expand. I should be able to see the ayahs, and then it should expand. What should I do? What should I do? Why am I getting a fool?